property was built in the 1800s and was lived in up until 1980. The occupants at the time tended the land. There's just over 9,000 square metres of land allocated as building land. We're here in Praia Mare, where we have a lovely ruin. It's 180 square metres spread over 3 floors, set in 9,000 square metres of land, overlooking a fantastic view. If you'd like more information on this property, click on the link below, where we're diving to the property a little bit deeper.